What's the meaning of Babygro? Babygro. Babygro.
Babygro. Babygro. A babygro is a type of clothing garment designed for infants. It is essentially a one-piece jumpsuit that covers the whole body, including the arms and legs. Babygros are typically made from soft, stretchy materials such as cotton or fleece, and they often feature snap fastenings at the crotch and front for easy access. The term babygro is actually a registered trademark of a UK-based clothing company, but it is often used more broadly to refer to any brand of infant jumpsuit.